Hi, someone on the Railcore Discord asked me how I was paying through my filament from my filament container to the extruder. So I'm going to do that hopefully pretty quickly. So here we go. So you see the Railcore itself. I have a custom designed hood on it, and I have a tube going from my drying enclosure for my filament all the way up to my extruder in the hood. You can see there. Anyways, so I have a tube passing through the fitting going to my spool. Right now it's hooked up to the red spool, and I have that go up into one of the fan holes. Eventually I'll make a notch in the bottom panel to pass through my Z motor wires and the filament tube. But anyways, this is here where it is right now. I pass it through with the cover on. It would be under. You wouldn't see any of this. I have this open just because I want to tinker with things once in a while. And obviously, if you hadn't noticed, anyways, this is still quite a work in progress. I haven't put the finishing oil on the front of the hood here, and also the top of the hood has the same thing. And there's a bunch of little things I want to finish. So anyways, to carry on, I have the tube go through the grommet that passes all the wiring through to the enclosure, and I will open up the hood like that, and there, as an aside, I have custom stops here. I'm going to improve on that, but so far it's been working okay. So anyways, we have the tube going up through the grommet up, and I have designed a custom holder to hold on to the tube. Tube goes alongside my umbilical. I have a little fitting. Then it goes to a smaller tube, the more what you might call the correct size tube, to feed right into my extruder here, and then onto the hot end.